Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your brand illustration style in Adobe Illustrator, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating a new document. Import your existing brand illustration by selecting File, then Place. Once your illustration is in the document, ensure it is selected. To update the style, consider the brand colors first. Select the Color Swatches panel from the window menu. Adjust your color palette to align with your updated brand identity. With your illustration selected, use the selection tool to choose specific elements to modify. Apply the new colors from the swatches panel to these elements. To refine shapes, select the Direct Selection tool for more precise adjustments. Make use of the Pen tool to add or modify paths for a fresh look. Experiment with different stroke widths to enhance visual appeal. If textures or patterns are part of your brand, create or import them now. Place your new texture file in the document using the Place command. Use the Clipping Mask feature to integrate textures into your illustration smoothly. Adjust the opacity of layers if you want a subtler texture effect. Consider overall composition as you update the illustration. Align and distribute elements evenly using the Align panel. Once revisions are complete, re-evaluate your typography choices. Select the Type tool to edit or enhance text elements for consistency. Ensure the font aligns with your new illustration style and brand voice. Save your updated illustration by clicking File, then Save As. Choose the preferred file format suitable for your project needs. Finally, review your updated illustration for any last-minute adjustments. Your brand illustration is now updated and ready for use across various platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.